question is in how many 4 digits number divisible by 4 can be made with digit 1 2 3 4 5 if the repetition is not allowed. For this question, first of all we have to understand divisibility of 4. For divisibility of 4, let's suppose one number 6 2 4. To check its divisibility, first we have to just see last two digits. If these two numbers are divisible by 4, then whole number is divisible by 4. In this case 24 is divisible by 4, so number is divisible by 4. In this question, what we have to do, form 4 digits with the help of 1 2 3 4 5. For this number to be divisible by 4, we have to make sure that in last two places the number must be divisible by 4. For this I am taking the cases. If we take 1 here, then what is the possibility of number which will be here? So 1 is here, then 2 can be, because 12 is divisible by 4, and we cannot take 3 4 5 because it will be 13 14 and 15 respectively, which are not divisible by 4. The next number we can take 2, then the second number can be 4, and no other possible. I am doing all these cases because if we take random, then there may be any case which is missed. So for that I am doing all separately. If we take 3, then possibility there will be 2. If I take 4, then 4. If I take 5, then here 2. These are all are divisible by 4. So on doing so, 1 2 3 4. If I fix 12 here, so the number of ways in which this thousand place can be filled by, we have 1 2. It is no chance to take this, so we have 5. We have 3 numbers which we can take in thousand place, so 3 ways we can select thousand place, and in 100 place we can take it in 2 ways. If the repetition is allowed, then we can take here 3, but in this case repetition is not allowed, so we will take 2. Like this, if this number 24 is fixed here, 24 is fixed, so in thousands place we can take in 3 ways, and in 100 place we can make it in 2 ways. So the number of digits means the numbers that can be formed when last two digits is fixed with 12 will be 3 into 2, because here 3 ways and 2 ways respectively, so 3 into 2, that is 6. In this case also it will be 6, means here 6 number, and in this also 6 number, 32 6 number. We have to keep one thing in mind, that here 24 is also coming, but we will not take 24 because 24 in 24 there are 4 it means repetition is there, so we will not take this value. So next number is 52. In this also we have same, that is 6. So for the numbers that can be formed when it is divisible by 4 and also it is not repeated, so that will be, we will all add all these values. 6 plus 6 plus 6 means 4 times 6, so what our answer will be. 4 times 6, that is 24. So it is our final answer. Thank you.